ॐ श्रीपरमात्मने नमः। अथ गीताध्यानश्लोकाः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयम्। मैम
ओम पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं
व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम्।
व्यासेन घृतितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम्
अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम्
अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम्
अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्।
अम्ब अम्ब त्वाम् अनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्
नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे
नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे
फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र
फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र
येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः
येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः
प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः।
प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः
प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये
प्रपन्नपारिजाताय
स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये
स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये
ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः।
ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः।
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम्
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम्
देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्।
देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्
भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला
भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला
गान्धारनीलोत्पला
गान्धारनीलोत्पला
शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी
शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी
कर्णेन वेलाकुला
कर्णेन वेलाकुला
अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा
अश्वत्थाम विकर्णघोरमकरा
दुर्योधनावर्तिनी
दुर्योधनावर्तिनी
सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैः रणनदी
सोत्तीर्ण खलु पाण्डवैः रणनदी
कैवर्तकः केशवः
कैवर्तकः केशवः
पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम्
पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थ गन्धोत्कटम्
नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम्
नानाख्यानकेसरं हरिकथः सम्बोधनाबोधितम्
लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा
लोके सज्जन षड्वदैरहरः
अहरहः अहरहः मीन्स् एव्री डे
हरः
अहः अहः
ओके
अहरहः एव्री डे लोके
सज्जन
लोके सज्जन षट्पदैः अहरहः षट्पदैरहरहः
लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा
भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे
भूयात् भूयाद् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे
मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिम्
मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिम्
यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्
यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्.
So here he is saying, Mukam karoti vachalam. You make the one who is mute, who cannot talk, vachalam, into somebody who is always talking. Vachalam. Pangum langhayate girim. You make the one without legs jump over mountains. Langhayate girim. Yat kripa, that is your kripa, that kind of yat kripa. Tamaham vande, that kind of person who you are. Vande, I bow down to you, whom Paramananda Madhavam, who is always in Ananda.
I like this I like that this Paramananda Madhava. Right. So the person who is talking also from that feeling which I get is they will talk with Ananda. Since
Exactly.
Paramananda Madhavam is making them do it, they'll jump over the mountain with Ananda.
Exactly.
They'll not do it like a chore. That's how I imagine.
No, because you make impossible possible.
Possible, yeah, possible, and through Ananda. It's not like through like beating something. This is an important.
Srivikramaji, actually, by stopping here and then saying so, you just made me like as though switch on the button and the talking this one starts like that. I have something to share for this shloka.
Definitely share, ma'am.
Our Krishna has a 16 doshas, physical and anatomical and doshas are there. In the sense, limitations.
Okay.
So he was not able to walk till the age of 3 or 4. We had to take him to this physiotherapy. It was a hard time for us. And I was told to tie his leg to the sofa legs stand, and my mother was shouting, "Are you a mother or what?" Making him stand. They told me to make him stand, tie, and he used to scream and cry like anything. But I had to become very hard and then make him stand, tie for 5 minutes, and then allow him to walk. And on the either side, my mother and myself we used to sit and catch hold of him.
Okay.
So, Pangum Langayate Girim. Okay. He didn't even, he was not able to speak. He didn't know any word other than Amma. And later on, what happened? He learned in such a way that he used to repeat the question. He didn't have the knowledge where he has to answer. Processing was not there. What's your name? He used to say, "What's your name?" So, Mukam Karoti Vachalam. Now he can speak in 4-5 languages.
Oh, wonderful.
So, Yatkrupatam Vande Paramananda Madhava. So, we have literally lived with this particular shloka.
Wow, that's so wonderful. Thank you very much for sharing it, ma'am.
You'll be seeing him actually, but there's a lot like slow milestone for him. So he was not able to talk, he was not able to walk, but by Guru Kripa and also their Ayurvedic treatment, no. So yeah, that's all.
Nice,
So this always we think like whenever he speaks and walks, Tamaham Vande Paramananda Madhava. We are so like that Ananda doesn't have any words to explain. Ananda is also a very small word. If I had not become strong at that time, he would have been crawling entire life. And nobody will be there to take care of him, and no one is permanent. Now he's able to walk, and Guruji took us to even Chardham Yatra. We walked over there. And so Pangum Langete Girim, even Parvata also he climbed. Yeah.
Really blessed to hear this story.
Yes. Shloka with experience, no? It's like you can totally correlate. Yeah, please go ahead. Thank you.
We'll read the shloka once again. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langhayate girim यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्. I think you know this one now. Shantakaram Bhujagash. You can read it if you know it.
Yeah, Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gaganasadrusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Hridhyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanatham.
Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha
Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha
Stunvanti Divyaistavaihi
Stunvanti Divyaistavaihi
Vedais Sanga Padak Kramopanishadaihi
Vedai Sanga Parakramopanishadaihi
Gayanti Yam Samagaha
Gayantiyam Samagaha
Dhyanavasthita Tadgatena Manasa
Dhyanavasthita Tadgatena Manasa
Pashyanti Yam Yoginaha
Pashyantiyam Yoginaha
Yasyantan Navidusura
Yasyantam Navidusura Suraganaha.
Yasyantan Naviduhu Surasuraganaha.
Okay. Yasyantam Navidusura Suraganaha
Devaya Tasmai Namaha
Devaya Tasmai Namaha
Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam
Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam
Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayet
Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayet
Satchidanandarupaya Krishnaya Klishtakarine
Satchidananda Rupaya Krishnaya Klishtakarine.
Dirgham
Okay,
Krishnaya
Krishnaya Klishtakarine.
Namo Vedanta Vedyaya Gurave Buddhisakshine
Namo Vedanta Vedhyaya Gurave Buddhi Sakshine.
Sarvopanishado Gavo Togdha Gopala Nandanaha
Sarvopanishado Gavaha Dugdha Gopalanandanaha.
Partho Vatsas Sudhir Bhokta Dugdham Geetamrutam Mahat.
Partho Vatsah Sudhir Bhokta
Appreciate it.
Sudhir Bhokta Dugdam Geetamrutam Mahat.
Gita Shastramidam Punyam Yah Pathet Prayatah Puman
Gita Shastramidam Punyam Yah Patet Prayatah Purapuman.
Vishnoh Padamavapnoti Bhayashokadivarjitaha
Vishnoh Padamapnoti Bhayashokadi Varjitaha.
Ekam Shastram Devaki Putra Geetam
Ekam Shastram Devaki Putra Geetam.
Eko Devo Devaki Putra Eva
Eko Devo Devaki Putra Eva.
Eko Mantrastasya Namani Yani
Eko Mantrastasya Namani Yani.
Karmapyekam Tasya Devasya Seva
Karmapyekam Tasya Devasya Seva.
Om Shri Krishnaya Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Krishnaya Paramatmane Namaha.
Those are the Dhyana shlokas. In the yesterday's discussion, we stopped at this shloka. Tvamaksharam param veditavyam tvamasya vishwasya param nidhanam tvamavyaya shashvata dharmagopta sanatanastvam purusho mato me. This is what he said. And then he says, he's continuing into the next verse.
Please, please.
అనాదిమధ్యాంతమనంతవీర్యం
अनादिमध्यान्तमनन्तवीर्यम्
अनन्तबाहुं शशिसूर्यनेत्रम्
अनन्तबाहुं शशिसूर्यनेत्रम्
पश्यामि त्वां दीप्तहुताशवक्त्रम्
पश्यामि त्वां दीप्तहुताशवक्त्रम्
स्वतेजसा विश्वमिदं तपन्तम्
स्वतेजसा विश्वमिदं तपन्तम्.
So he's saying अनादिमध्यान्तम् अनन्तवीर्यम्. So अनादिमध्यान्तम्, the one without adi madhya or anta. Adhimadhyantam na, the one without these three, adi madhya or start, middle and the end, without these three. Anantaviryam, of infinite virya. Anantabahum, the one with infinite arms, unending arms, bahum. Shashi Surya Netram, the one with whose one eye is Shashi, the moon, and the other eye is Surya. Shashi Surya Netram. Pashyami Tvam, I see you. Deepta Hutasha Vaktram, whose tongue, Vaktra is tongue, I think.
Okay.
Deepta Hutasha Vaktram, I think Hutasha is Agni. Deepta Hutasha Vaktram, let's see. Vaktram could also mean face. I'm just thinking. Vaktram means face only, I think. Deepta Hutasha Vaktram. Vaktram, yes. Organ of speech, mouth. Okay. It is mouth. Deepta Hutasha Vaktram. Okay, Vaktram. What is Hutasha? The one who has Asha, fire. The one who has Asha for Homa. Hutasha.
Oh,
No.
not that.
Hutam Ashnati. The one who eats Hutam, whatever is the ghee.
Okay.
It is Hutasha.
Oh, okay.
Hutasha. Deepta Hutasha Vaktram, whose mouth is like the fire. Swatejasa Vishwamidam Tapantam, the one with whose tejas the whole world is being heated. Tapantam, or whose the whole world is being basked by his tejas. Swatejasa Vishwamidam Tapantam. Tadanantaram vadati Anadi Madhyantam. So I think this is the meaning of the verse as far as I can understand it. What do you have? What do you think? Any thoughts before we go to Shankara Bhashya?
Yeah, Deepta Hutasha Vaktram. That I was. The others are very much saying that he's Vishwarupam. Deepta Hutasha Vaktram, I was not sure that too. So he's the one who is eating everything, is it? He's the Bhokta. That's what they are saying.
Yes. He's the one, right? Who will eat
Eat
everything.
all the, yeah.
Yes. I think that is where it is
All
coming.
offerings of all, yeah.
Yes. Hutasha.
Yeah, that seemed a little bit different from the rest of the things which they were saying.
Mm.
Or rest were pointing to Vishwarupa. In a sense, it's I don't
No, in the Pralaya, that is where everything goes back
okay.
into.
So, correct.
Nadi Madhyantam. Adishcha madhyancha antascha na vidyate yasya, the one who does not have adi madhya or anta. Saha ayam anadi madhyantaha tam tvam anadi madhyantam anantaviryam na tava viryasya antaha. There is no end to your virya. Therefore you are anantaviryaha, of infinite virya. Tava, so of you is Anantaviryam. I see that. I see that Anantaviryatvam. That is what I am seeing. Tatha Anantabahum Anantaha Bahavaha Asya Tava Saha Tvam अनन्तबाहुः त्वाम् अनन्तबाहो बाहुं शशिसूर्यनेत्रं शशिसूर्यौ नेत्रे यस्य तव सः त्वं शशिसूर्यनेत्रः तं त्वां शशिसूर्यनेत्रं the one whose eyes are Shashi and Surya Chandraditya Nayanam the one whose eyes are one eye is Chandra and other eye is Aditya पश्यामि त्वां दीप्तं दीप्तहुताशवक्त्रं दीप्तश्च असौ हुताशश्च वक्त्रं यस्य the one whose mouth is deepta bright glowing and also hutasha also fire vaktram yasya tava saha tvam deeptahutashavakram tam tvam deeptahutashavakram स्वतेजसा विश्वम् इदं समस्तं तपन्तं the one who is heating up tapantam with your own brilliance. Let's see what infinite valor virya is being translated to valor. Okay. What do you think about this verse?
Oh, it's like personifying the whole world as Vishnu's Rupam only. So,
Actually,
like
we
you were saying, maybe the different functions also are there in this. So, when they are saying Ananta Ba, so many things you can read into it. It's totally metaphorical. I think it's up to us to read. Saying Ananta Baham,
Anantaba,
we'll think that he is
what
the
do you think it
Kartritva. He is the Karta, sorry, of
Right.
everything.
He is the karta of everything.
So, like that,
Shashi
there
Netram
are
in the
meanings.
morning, Surya is the Sakshi. In the night, Shashi is the Sakshi.
Yeah.
In the sense that he is always watching everything. Anadi Madhyantam, there is no end. Pashyami Tvam Deeptam Utashavakram. Okay. I see that your mouth itself is the Pralayagni. Svatejasa Vishwamidam Tapantam. With your own brilliance, you are heating up or causing all of this world to exist.
Yeah, Tapantam, even since it's heating up, I was also thinking in the sense that it's causing the
Exist, like
like we were earlier talking about Yajna, right? Like that one chapter we were discussing that.
Correct.
So he is himself in the form of this cosmic Yajna that is creating and maintaining, destroying the whole world.
Correct.
And one more thing, like we also say Shiva is Trinetra with one eye as a Surya and another as a Chandra. So here also it is saying the same thing to Bhagavan.
Yes.
Any correlation?
Whom did you say, ma'am? Shiva, ma'am.
Shiva has Trinetra. One is Surya and another is
Yes.
Chandra.
Chandra Kagni Netram iti yes, correct. Both are same only. That's what.
Both are same. Yeah.
There is the third eye. Here there is the mouth.
Yes. Makes sense.
Pralayagni.
Yeah.
It's making a cross then.
Yeah. Very good, like point. But here the Agni Netra is basically being told as the mouth.
Okay. We will go to the next shloka. Sudarshana, will you make us repeat it?
द्यावा पृथिव्योरिदमन्तरं हि
द्यावा पृथिव्योरिदमन्तरं हि
व्याप्तं त्वयैकेन दिशश्च सर्वाः
व्याप्तं त्वयैकेन दिशश्च सर्वाः
अद्भुतं रूपमुग्रं तवेदम्
दृष्ट्वाद्भुतं रूपमुग्रं तवेदम्
लोकत्रयं प्रव्यथितं महात्मन्
लोकत्रयं प्रव्यथितं महात्मन्. Hey Mahatman, oh great being.
Yeah.
Drishtva, so having seen, okay, let's go back. Dyava prithivyaha idamantaram hi Vyaptam Vyava Prithivyaha. Vyava, I think, is the Vyava,
Dyava is sky. Dyava
sky. Vyava
is
Prithivyaha.
a
Between
compound
the
of Samskrita.
Antaram, in the middle of the sky and the earth, he, Vyaptam, you have filled up. Tvayaikena, by you only. Dishascha Sarvaha. All the
Okay.
dishas are also filled by you only.
Okay.
Drashtva, having seen this, Adbhutam Rupam Ugram Tava Idam, having seen this Adbhuta Ugra Rupa of you,
Oh.
Lokatrayam Pravyathitam Mahatman. Lokatrayam Pravyathitan. Pravyathitam. What is Pravyathitam? Pravya. See. Pravyat. See. Pravyathita. Pained, distressed, disturbed. Pravyathitam Mahatman. Lokatraya.
Bhayanam
Oh,
is
Krishna,
famous.
having seen your this Ugrarupa, all the three lokas are extremely distressed.
Frightened. Oh.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Lokatrayam Pravyathitam Mahatman. Is this correct?
There is a contradiction here because later on he says there is nobody else who has seen this form except you. Now he is saying all three lokas are looking at him. So this is a very strange contradiction, I find.
Okay. Interesting.
The way we can understand then Lokatraya, if we have to protect the the integrity of the scripture, then would be to think Lokatraya would mean the three lokas. My three states of experience have been vyatha, have been your form is almost nightmarish to all the three states of my being, Jagrat, Swapna, and Sushupti.
Oh, and hence you are causing me to go into the Turiya.
Oh.
Mm,
That is one. That's a nice
exactly.
interpretation. Yes. Yeah, that's an interesting. Like what I naturally interpret is that maybe they have not seen Vishnu as the Vishwarupa, but they have seen the world. He's only all of these. Whether they know it as Vishnu or not, it's Vishnu only. So it's not actually like contradictory to say that the Lokatrayam are, because now only Arjuna is realizing that what he thought was the world was actually Vishnu. So it's not contradictory in that way. Since he knows, he's saying the world is scared of you, whereas the others are just thinking they're scared of the world.
No. He is saying, what is he saying? Tava idam ugrarupam adbhutam drushtva.
Yeah.
Having seen your very, very frightening ugrarupa.
Mm.
Lokatrayam vyathitam mahatman. All the three worlds are extremely frightened, hey Mahatman.
He is saying that it's Vishnu's Rupa because he knows it's Vishnu, whereas others are seeing it but they don't know it's Vishnu.
Oh, you are
That's
saying
what
that
I'm saying.
all the three lokas are regardless frightening.
Regardless they are Vishnu, regardless they are frightening both ways. Regardless they are Vishnu, that is my main point. Whether people have seen it or not. Maybe he is one of the few people to get the Vishwarupa Darshanam. But regardless of whether they get Darshanam or not, it is his form only, which everyone is seeing.
That is there.
That's the
But
way
he
which
is
I
saying,
interpret. So there's no contradiction as
he is
such.
particularly saying Ugra Rupam.
Yeah, people see all the kinds of Rupams, including the Ugra Rupam.
Okay. Let's see what Shankaracharya has to say.
Yeah, it's not that people only see Ugra Rupam as such.
Vyava Prithivyo idam antaram hi antariksham. Vyava Prithivyoho antaram antariksham. The space between the sky, heaven and earth, the antariksha. Vyaptam tvaya ekena. It is filled by you alone. Vishwarupa dharena. By the Vishwarupa dhara. Dishascha sarvaha vyaptaha. You have filled up all the dishas as well. Drushtva upalabhya adbhutam vismapakam rupam. Having seen your adbhuta vismapaka, extremely awe-inducing rupam, idam tava ugram kruram lokanam. Having seen this ugra rupa, lokanam trayam, the three lokas, pravyathitam bhitam prachalitam va, he Mahatman, Akshudra Swabhava. Akshudra Swabhava. The one who does not have the Swabhava of Kshudratva,
Smallness, right?
smallness.
Ah.
Akshudra Swabhava. Atha Adhuna Pura Yadva जयेम यदिवानो जयेयुः इति अर्जुनस्य यः संशयः आसीत् तन्निर्णयाय पाण्डवजयम् एकान्तिकं दर्शयामि इति प्रवृत्तो भगवान् तं पश्यन् आह. Okay, this is continuing into the next shloka where Arjuna once upon a time said Yadva jayema yadivano jayeyuh Jyaneva hatva na jijivishamaha Teva sthitah pramukhe dharta rashtraha. He says either we will win the war or we will lose the war. Regardless, we will be like, those people who, even if we win the war, who are we fighting for? The exact people, the family that we want to fight for, he is right on the other side of the battlefield or on our side also. If all of these people die, what is the point of winning the war or losing the war? Either way, it is loss only. This is what he said. So, in order to give a nirnaya on that question, Pandava Vijayam Ekantikam Darshayami, he is going to show. So in order to remove that doubt, he is going to show. He shows he shows even more. He shows what is going to happen next. Tam pashyan aha. Seeing this, Arjuna said, that is what is going to happen in the next shloka.
Next few. We'll try to finish today. Let's see. We have 15 minutes.
Oh, we have a lot of time. Yes, next shloka.
अमीहि त्वां सुरसङ्घा विशन्ति
अमीहि त्वां सुरसङ्घा विशन्ति
केचित् भीताः प्राञ्जलयो गृह्णन्ति
केचित् भीताः प्राञ्जलयो गृह्णन्ति
स्वस्तीत्युक्त्वा महर्षिसिद्धसङ्घाः
स्वस्तीत्युक्त्वा महर्षिसिद्धसङ्घाः
स्तुवन्ति त्वां स्तुतिभिः पुष्कलाभिः
स्तुवन्ति त्वां स्तुतिभिः पुष्कलाभिः अमीहि त्वां अमी just a second asau amu ami all these people ami means all these people tvam you surasanghaha all the surasanghaha all the devaganaha vishanti means pravishanti, they come here. Kechit bhitaha, some of them are afraid of you. Pranjalayo grunanti, they are putting their hands in the Anjali mudra. all the devatas are here. They have come, and some of them are afraid of you, and they are putting Anjali mudra or namaskara. Swasti Maharshi Sangha Siddha Sanghaha, the Maharshi and Siddha Sanghaha, those who have realized you, these Maharshis are just saying Swasti. Swasti. What does Swasti mean? Swasti.
Swasti. You've written Swati.
Swasti. Swasti. Okay.
Something else is coming.
Let it be auspicious.
That's what auspicious only. I'm just trying to pin down the exact meaning. Swasti. Yes. Swasti, well-being, successful, success, prosperity, luck, fortune, hail. Yes, this is the meaning. Hail iti. Jaya Jaya iti.
Oh.
Swasti ityuktva.
Something like
Shubham.
Hail, like we say, hail health, right?
That's what.
Hail, that is another meaning when you're doing
Here they are
namaskar.
doing Jaya Jaya.
But here it's
You can take that meaning of swasti to
swasti
mean
tyukta. Okay.
Uktva, having
Okay.
said swasti, jaya jaya.
Okay. Okay. Like,
Maharshi,
they are
Siddha
saying that.
Sanghaha, all the Maharshi and Siddha Sanghaha, Stuvantitvam, they are doing stuti of you. Stutibhihi punyaka pushkalabhihi, stutibhih pushkalabhihi, pushkalabhihi stutibhihi stuvanti. With pushkalabhihi, what does pushkalabhihi? Pushkala means abundant, I think. Pushkalabhihi, stutibhihi, with the stotras, they are doing your stavana, they are doing your stuti. So this is what is happening. He is seeing what is happening. Amihitvam surasangha vishanti kechid bhita pranjalayo grananti swasti tyuktva maharshi siddha sanghaha स्तुवन्ति त्वां स्तुतिभिः पुष्पकाभिः पुष्कलाभिः. Sorry. Is that correct? Is that explanation, is that understanding correct? Any points that you might want to raise?
I think that one thing I was thinking that these verses which are going to come are like continuing, like maybe we can discuss after we finish it, because now there's more and more, I'm feeling more and more suspense. Like what will happen next?
Okay. अमी युध्यमाना योद्धारः त्वां सुरसङ्घाः ये अत्र भूभारावताराय अवतीर्णाः वस्वादिदेवसङ्घाः मनुष्यसङ्घानाः त्वम्. Oh, not only, okay, it's not just the devatas. Ami, all these people, all those in the yuddha. Tvam surasanghaha, the devaganaha that are there, all of them. Manushya samsthanaha, those who have taken up the forms of humans. Is that correct? I think so. Vaswadideva sanghaha, manushya samsthanaha, tvam vishanti pravishyantah drishyante. Oh, okay. They're entering into these humans just to see you. All these Devasangha, I think that is what is being said. Those very Surasangha groups of gods, the soldiers engaged in battle groups of gods such as Vasus, have descended here in the form of human beings for eliminating the burden of the earth. Vishanti, enter, are seen to be entering Tvam. Oh, Vishanti Tvam, they are going into you, into your mouth. Vishanti Tvam. Tatra kechid bhitaha प्राञ्जलयः सन्तः गुणन्ति स्तुवन्ति त्वाम् अन्ये पलायनेऽपि अशक्ताः सन्तः. Oh, I see. Okay, he's saying, let me think about this. अमीहि युद्धमाना योद्धारः त्वां सुरसङ्घाः ये अत्र भूभार अवताराः अवतीर्णाः वस्वादिदेवसङ्घाः मनुष्यसंस्थानाः त्वां विशन्ति. Okay, this is what he is saying, that all these devasangha, devas who have taken up the forms of humans in order to reduce the bhubhara, they are entering your mouth along with all the yodharaha, all the people who are in the yuddha. They are vishanti, they are entering into your mouth. Vishanti. Tatra kechid bhitaha, some of them are afraid. Pranjalayaha santaha, they are putting namaskara mudra. Grunanti, they are doing your stuti as they are going into your mouth. Tvam, why are they doing that? Anye palayane api ashaktaha santaha. being unable to escape this, they are just doing this. They have given up. Yuddhe pratyupasthite, in that yuddha, those people who are there, utpatadini उत्पातादिनिमित्तानि उपलक्ष्य उत्पातादिनिमित्तानि उपलक्ष्य उत्पातादिनिमित्तानि उपलक्ष्य. What does that? उत्पातादिनिमित्त Karana. Nimitta means Karana.
Okay.
Utpadadi Karana.
Different Utpada means creation, right? Utpatadi.
Utpatti is
Utpattam.
Karana. Okay.
Or
Uproot.
uproot. Okay. Oh, Utpata.
Utpata. Utpat. Where is the tha? Normal tha.
Utpata.
Pata.
Hmm.
Utpata. Utpata means phenomena.
Okay.
Utpata. Unusual,
Hmm.
sudden event arising,
Hmm.
jumping forward. Utpatadi nimittani युद्धे प्रत्युपस्थिते उत्पातादि निमित्तानि उपलक्ष्य स्वस्ति अस्तु जगतः इति. Having this vipatti, seeing this, yuddha, which is going to kill a lot of people. The Maharshi Sanghaha, all the Maharshi and Siddhas, they are saying swasti, swasti.
Oh.
Swastirastu.
Swasti.
May good happen.
Ah.
Sanghaha Maharshinam Siddhanancha Sanghaha Stuvanti Tvam Stutibhihi Pushkalabhihi Sampurnabhihi. So that is what they are doing. They are doing your stuti, hoping that swasti will happen. Swastirastu. Kinchanyat, moreover. Okay, let's read the translation so as to get better idea. I think it's slightly
I think
confusing.
we understood.
Amihi.
As in,
Yeah, you can read that.
Amihi, those very Surasanghaha, groups of gods. The soldiers engaged in battle groups of gods such as Vasus, who have descended here in the form of human beings for eliminating the burden of the earth. Vishanti, are seen to be entering. Tvam, you. Bhitaha, struck with fear and unable to flee. Kechit, some among them, Krinanti, extol you. Pranjalayaha, with their palms joined. Maharshi Siddha, a semi-divine being supposed to be of great purity and holiness and said to be particularly characterized by Ashtasiddhis. Sanghaha, group of great sages and perfected beings. Seeing portents foreboding evil, etc. As the battle became imminent, Suvanti, praise you, praise Tvam you, Pushkarabhihi, with elaborate full Stutibihi, hymns, Uktva saying, Swasti iti, may it be well. And further, let us not break the flow. Shall we go to the next?
Yes.
I was thinking,
Definitely. We will not stop today.
whenever Shankara Bhagavad Pada says,
Moreover.
yeah, no, to keep on, it's like to be continued.
Yes.
रुद्रादित्या वसवो ये च साध्याः
रुद्रादित्या वसवो ये च साध्याः
विश्वेश्विनौ मरुतश्चोष्मपाश्च
विश्वेश्विनौ मरुतश्चोष्मपाश्च
गन्धर्वयक्षासुरसिद्धसङ्घाः
गन्धर्वयक्षासुरसिद्धसङ्घाः
वीक्षन्ते त्वां विस्मिताश्चैव सर्वे
वीक्षन्ते त्वां विस्मिताश्चैव सर्वे. रुद्रादित्याः, the एकादश रुद्रास, आदित्यास, the द्वादश आदित्यास, the 12 आदित्यास, वसवः, the 8 vasus, ये च साध्याः. Again, sadhya was another minor group of deities, right?
We never managed to figure out what they were, but we'll share on the group.
Vishwe, I think it is referring to Vaishvadeva. I think that is again I think just a second. What is this?
Ah, Vishwa Devas, we say, like,
Right.
I just assumed it means all the Devas, but it's a different one.
Let's see. Vishwadeva. Vaishwadeva is a particular Shastra. Vishwadeva is particular relating or sacred to all the gods.
Okay.
Vaishwadeva. That's the name of a
First
meter
Bhagwan
also.
of
In the Vedas,
Chaturmas.
the word Vishwe Deva is referred to like Pranav said to all gods. So
Vishwe.
Vishwe,
All the gods.
all Sarve,
Rudraditya
Sarve.
Vasavo Ye cha Sadhya Vishwe, all the devas. Ashwino, the Ashwini Devata, the two Ashwini Devata, Marutascheshmapascha, Ishmapascha, Marutaha cha, Ishmapascha, Ishmapaha,
Ushmapa, Ushmapa, not
Ushmabahava,
Ish, Ushmapa.
Maruteshma, Maruteshma, Marute Ushma. Then it should be Marutyushma, right? Marutyushma. Maru,
Marutaha cha Ushmapascha.
Marutaha cha Ushmapascha, Marutoshmapascha. Evam, Amavam. Ushmapaha. Who are these Ushmapaha? Ushmapa is fire. Is that correct? Ushmapa. Ushmapascha. How many fires are there? Ushmapahacha. We'll see. Gandharva
There,
Yaksha.
the word,
Yeah.
the word
Yes.
Ushmapa can also, it could be a Sakaranta Pullinga Shabda. Therefore, its Ekavachana would be Ushmapas. So it would have become Ushmapas. So that is one possibility.
Okay.
Or you could check Ushmapa. Not U, perhaps. Ushmapa, Ushmapa.
Tireva. It's not even giving that option. Okay, we'll see Shankara Bhashya. That will give us more clarity. Gandharva Yaksha Sura Siddha Sanghaha Gandharvaha Yakshaha Sura means Devatas Siddha Sanghaha. All these groups of Siddhas. Vikshante, they are watching. Tvam, they are watching you. Uh, Vismitaschaiva Sarve, they are bewildered and they are all watching you. Okay, let's see. रुद्रादित्यः रुद्रादित्यः वसवः ये च साध्याः रुद्रादित्या रुद्रादयः गणाः all these groups विश्वे देवाः अश्विनौ च देवौ okay the two Ashwini devatas मरुतश्च उष्मपाश्च पितरः उष्मपः इत्युक्ते एकः पितरः. It is the name of one of the Pitru Devatas.
Oh.
Gandharva-yaksha-surasiddha-sanghaha Gandharvaha Ha-ha-hu-hu prabhritayah.
A crying.
No. There is a name. Ha-ha is the name of a Gandharva.
Oh, I see.
Hu is another name of a Gandharva.
Oh.
Ha-ha-hu-hu-hu.
Okay.
And etc.
Oh, because I remember Swami Sarvapriyananda mentioned in one talk, it in Hahakara in Samskrita means the opposite of what it means in English.
Yes. Ha-ha
Means
Ha is definitely like ha-ha. Let's see. Ha-ha is the name of a Gandharva.
in this case, that's all it is. Okay.
I can just show it to you so that you don't have to take me on my word.
No, I've heard of these Gandharvas. I mean, I've heard of Haha Hu.
Huhuva is a particular hell, but hu dirgha. Hu parabhratayah, etc. Yakshaha, Kuberadi.
The trivia of how their names came to be is because when you listen to music, right, as Gandharvas would, you'll say aha, and who, and so on. So that's how their names became ha, who.
Nice.
Is it? Oh, interesting.
Oh, it is. Where do these two Gandharvas come at? Is there any?
There is, I remember somewhere they come.
It comes in Ramayana, right? Some ha ha. Those are asuras, I think. Though.
No, there's one Shiva Stotra. I'm not getting it. Which one? It's not a Shiva Tandava. There comes ha ha hu. Shivaya Namaha, Shivaya Namo, Shivaya Namaha, Shivaya Namo. There is one shloka.
Shankaracharya's Varnamala Stuti.
Yes.
So correct. Ha ha hu hu Mukhasurataraka
Correct.
Samba Sadashiva Sambho Shankara Sharanam Me Karama Yugam. Correct.
Sadashiva shloka. Yes, correct.
Then
Okay,
maybe
we'll
I'll
continue.
read up about haha, like the characters later.
Okay. Wow. Asuraha, all the Virochana Prabhutayah. I think Virochana is referring to Prahlada only. See what Virochana means. Virochanaha. Virochana is okay. Son of Virochana. Name of Bali Chakravarti. Virochana.
Oh,
Okay. Asuraha, Siddhaha, Kapiladayah, Kapila Maharshi, etc. are all Siddhas. Tesham Sanghaha, okay, te Vikshante, Pashyanti, Tvam Vismitaha, Vismayapannaha, Santaha, te eva sarve. So this is what is going on. All of them are watching you, being bewildered, wonderstruck. And so what happens?
We are doing this.
Yeah. Last one.
Rupam Mahatte Bahuvaktra Netram
Rupam Mahatye Bahuvaktra Netram
Mahabaho Bahubahurupadam
Bahubahurupadam
Bahudaram Bahudamstrakaralam
Udaram Bahudamshrakaralam
Drishtva Lokah Pravyathitas Tathaham
Drishta Loka Pravyathitas Rupam Mahatte. Te Rupam Mahat. Your Rupam is great. How is it? Bahuvaktra Netram, of many mouths and eyes. Mahabaho, one with great hands. Bahubahurupadam, the one with many bahu hands. Uru, thighs. Padam and feet. Bahudaram, with many stomachs. Bahudamshrakaralam, with many, infinitely many rows of teeth.
Sharp
Drishtva.
teeth, right? Damshra Karala. Sharp.
What does Karala mean? Just a
Oh, Karala means fierce. Yeah, the Karalam is the fierce teeth.
Fierce teeth, Karala.
Fe-
Sword. Formidable.
Formidable, yeah.
Gaping.
This I don't know.
Gaping. Yes.
Yeah,
What
fierce mouth. That's what I understand. Generally,
That's what.
Karala.
Having a gaping mouth and projecting teeth.
Yeah. Like that.
Yes, like that. Wide open.
This
Karala
is
means
one more
opening wide.
instance how Kali and Kala are very similar. We say Kali also has Karala Vadana, Karala
Yes.
Vadanam, Ghoram, Muktakeshim, Chaturbhujam, and so on, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
And here also it is the same.
Exactly. Bahudamshtra Karalam. Your mouths are all open, showing many teeth. Drashtva, having seen this, Lokaha, all the Lokas, Pravyathitaha, they are all extremely distressed. Tathaham, so am I.
Yeah. This is an interesting way.
So am I. Not only
Finally,
all
Arjuna
Lokas.
can't like take it.
Yes.
Like we'll see that.
He is only says, I am also very Pravyathitaha. Okay. Rupam Mahat Ati Pramanam Te Tava बहुवक्त्रनेत्रं बहूनि वक्त्राणि मुखानि नेत्राणि चक्षुंषि च अस्मिन् तत् रूपं बहुवक्त्रनेत्रं हे महाबाहो बहुबाहूरुपादं बहवो बाहवः ऊरवः पादाश्च यस्मिन् रूपे तत् बहुबाहूरुपादं किञ्च बहूदरं बहूनि उदराणि यस्मिन्निति बहूदरं बहुदंष्ट्राकरालं बह्वीभिः दंष्ट्राभिः करालं विकृतं तत् बहुदंष्ट्राकरालं. He is specifically saying karalam means extremely distressing. Vikrutam damष्ट्राकरालं दृष्ट्वा
Sings so lovingly. There's a Bengali song, I think, Amar Krit Komole Manche Dhole Karale Bodani Shama.
Oh,
So in my heart, Lotus is seated Karala Vadana Shama. He said, sung so lovingly.
nice. Drishva Rupam, having seen this, Idrusham Rupam Drishva, Lokaha, Lokakikaha, all those people in the Lokas. Loka does not mean literally the Loka is affected, rather the people in the Lokas are afraid, right? Praninaha, Pravyatitaha, Prachalitaha, they're extremely disturbed. Hayena Prachalitaha, Tatha Ahamapi. So am I. Tatredam Karanam. So he is continuing into this. Why is that the case? He is going to give the Karana of why exactly he feels this way. Okay. This is a good place to stop. Dhanyavadaha. What do you think about this? These three slokas? We did not discuss much before we end.
Yeah, progressively became more and more Ugra. That's the message which he's showing all of his stages and all that. Then he started showing the important thing for the battle, which is that all the soldiers are dying. And then he showed his form of death, of time of death. That is a spoiler for next time, but yeah, sorry. Yeah, so
Savita ji,
yeah, so
Usha ji, if you want to say anything before we end, please feel free.
Which are those 12 sons which you were talking about?
That Dwadash Adityas, ma'am? Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
Per month, there is said to be a Aditya, and that is why there are the 12 asanas in Surya Namaskara. So you can just search here. You will see the 12 Adityas and their associations. These are the names: Dhata, Aryama, Mitra, Varuna, Indra, Vivaswan, Tvashta, Vishnu, Amushman, Bhaga, Pusha, and what is this? Parjanja. What is this Parjanja? I have not heard this. But yeah, so these are the approximate months, like 1 month for each Surya. There are 12 Adityas.
Okay. Does it make any difference in those Adityas?
No, Surya is the same. We worship
Same,
him.
yeah.
We worship him in different rupas depending on the month. That's all.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you.
Ushaji, any points to be made?
One thing, if you see in the last three shlokas, it's like it is showing a different forms. Though Bhagavanta, we perceive and we are known, he's very pious and he's very connected and we can approach him and it's like with Vatsalya. But Nijarupa is definitely we cannot perceive it. Every form is different and then clubbing all together becomes very it is more than our imagination.
Yes, ma'am.
Or more than our ability to really understand that Vikruta, it could be Vikruta for normal our perceptions. But That is a fact.
Yes.
And if we understand one more thing, like
No,
if
I think here Krishna is wantingly showing this form. This is not like, this is not his only form,
Hmm.
right? I think there is more context involved in the sense that there is a particular lesson that Krishna wants to impart onto Arjuna,
Hmm.
and hence he is showing this particular form,
Hmm.
right? That's what I think.
should be saying that otherwise, like let's take in the normal this one. I'll take only 1 minute. If we
Hmm.
collect all the species on the earth and put it
Hmm.
together,
Hmm.
then definitely will be like you attach them all of those species together. How does it look?
Very dangerous.
It is Vikrita.
Yes.
So, but actually, that is what he is. He can be of that form. And also, one more point is for this Dushta Shama, this one, when we take Kali Mata, Durga Mata, or even this one, Veerabhadra and all,
Hmm.
they are ferocious.
Yes, ma'am.
And the Kalaratri, if she is not that ferocious and that doesn't create a fear,
Hmm.
where the Daitya themselves are so fearful, like they themselves are so bhayankara,
Hmm.
and if they are not made to feel the fear in their heart, then
Hmm.
it is not possible to have a check on them.
Hmm. Yes,
So
ma'am.
obviously, all the forms is he, and then also say like if that we take it, and he is everything. So, but only for our sake, like he's visible in a few frequency. Okay, see only me as a human being, 2 hands, 2 legs, and 1 hand,
Hmm.
one face and 2 eyes, just like you. Otherwise, if I collectively show, you will not be able to digest it.
Correct. Yeah.
But I am that.
He is beyond that, ma'am. Why should we give
I'm
it?
that means I'm everything.
Hmm. Yes, he's everything. That. Yes.
I'm not the one what you're seeing, but I'm this the one
Yes.
what you're. What is this Rija Swarupa?
Hmm. And
Yeah,
he has
that's.
already pointed out, like, his Swarupa, Swaswarupa,
Hmm.
which is
Hmm.
unmanifest, right?
Yeah.
He did say that, he is the unmanifest beyond the unmanifest.
Hmm.
That's what he was saying. If you remember from that, where,
Hmm.
he was talking about
This
Brahma's,
Akshara or Jnana Vijnana, one of those.
in that yoga,
Jnana
where
Vijnana Yoga.
he was talking about the Brahma, like, there are 100 years of
Hmm.
Brahma.
Hmm.
As soon as he wakes up, he does creation. When he
Ah.
goes to sleep,
Yes.
it's all like, he
Hmm.
says it's unmanifest. He says that he is the unmanifest beyond that unmanifest. Right.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
that is the actual true form. This Vishwarupa Darshana is like, this is particularly given just for Arjuna.
No, but this is also the true form. The thing is, it is that I feel like that order was very important. First, he had to take him away from Maya.
Hmm.
So first he had to tell him that I am consciousness. Then again, when you know that he is consciousness and you look at the world, that time you see him as everything. So
Correct.
for this actual Vishwarupa Darshana to be possible, to not see it separate things and to see Vishnu as Vishwarupa,
Hmm.
that is the first step. So it's still he's showing as consciousness only. He's not showing as anything other than consciousness.
Of course.
The world is
All
only
of it
conscious.
is.
Yeah.
All of it
So
is.
that's what I would say. It's not that he's showing any false form. He's showing the correct form only. But the order is needed for him to not see that as just the world. For him to see it as Vishnu, that first he needs to teach all those things which he taught. Only then he'll be able to actually see Vishwarupa Darshana.
But I'll ask this. Was Arjuna able to see Vishwarupa before? He did not.
He did not.
He
Yeah.
saw it.
Hmm.
And then he asked him to stop. And Krishna stops.
Hmm.
And then there is no Vishwarupa again. So Vishwarupa was there.
Hmm.
And then it went on. All of
but
it is
true
still part of
Vishwa-
Maya, right?
Correct. In the sense that he's showing it, but actually, if we have to say what is Vishwarupa Dharshana, we would have to define it as this only.
Yes.
Like what I was, because
correct.
I shared one short, right? Or,
That is there. In the sense
yeah,
that
yeah,
we say that Vishwameva Vishnuhu.
yeah.
If you go to that
That-
Vishnu Sahasranama,
Hmm.
the first name is Vishwam.
Hmm.
Second name is Vishnuhu.
Hmm.
Meaning that this Vishwa itself is Vishnu. There is nothing else in this whole world.
Yeah.
And that is itself, looking at Vishwam as Vishnu itself is Vishwarupa Darshana.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Like, that is the actual order in which he taught. Whether Arjuna, he must have got something at least. He would have got some glimpse of it. Otherwise, Krishna will not teach him. Maybe it was too much for him to handle, but he got some amount of insight. Like, full insight, like ma'am was saying, that is actually the full form. So, even though he's appearing in a very nice form, ultimately, like, if one has to be fully, like, one has to go beyond Bhaya, they have to accept that form. They have to see that form also and not be scared knowing it's Vishnu. So I agree with what ma'am said. That it's not, that is also like his form only. And not just for Rakshasas, for everyone. Everyone has to die at some time. So ultimately they have to, it's very, very tough to digest. So Arjuna also couldn't digest it, but ultimately that should be the form which we have,
So
which has to be digested, I guess.
actually 10 adhyayas were to be given to Arjuna,
Hmm.
like prepare, like, they give anesthesia and stuff like that before the actual scene. In spite of that, he was not able to handle, Arjuna was not able to handle the Vishwarupa Darshana.
I think none of us can handle
Yeah,
actually.
it's very,
We
very
are
tough.
in the-
That is the final like realization I feel. It's very, very difficult. Yeah.
That's true.
Okay.
That's true.
We will stop here. Thank you very much. Kayena vacha first, what is it? यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं च यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोऽस्तु ते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तम कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि सर्वं श्रीपरमेश्वरार्पणमस्तु धन्यवादाः
Dhamma.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್.
Namaskar.
नमस्कार